Let's go!
EAS provide timely emergency warnings. This SG13 extended Pittsburgh operational area. This includes the EAS.
You can't turn at all.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Oh, fuck it.
Yeah. Okay, and then.
Hello?
Hello?
You live?
Hello? Hello? Jesus fuck, hold on. Let me check my nerd blogger.
I think it died.
Or hold on, let me check. Alerting log. Yeah, I don't think my Easy relayed this at all. Or maybe it did, but there's some technical error. Yeah, it said it relayed, but maybe some technical error happened.
No.
Oh well. Well. Yeah.
Easy peepees.
What? Anyways, I was joined by.
You already know who I am.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, that you do.
No, I don't.
You clearly seen me on YouTube.
Yes, but we want you to say your name anyway.
You know who I am.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
I'm Pittsburgh EAS, aka Savage Gamer 2413.
You are not Pittsburgh EAS. That's me.
Yeah, I get it. That wasn't me. Anyway, ignore.
Anyways.
Anyway, I'm SG2413.
Yes. And as you can see, my BC370 activated. And yeah, I'm gonna put this back on. I'm going back on KOLLAB because yes, that's what it's supposed to be on. And yeah, copyright stuff. What?
I'm just kidding.
Repeat yourself.
Nothing.
Repeat yourself.
Okay, love my ball. Okay, no.
What? Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up here. We'll see you guys next time.